Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Arash here, and then in this video I will show you how to make the race stripes on your car or on the project you are work. Is easy money, and that's all. Be with me, let's get into it. Guys, I got the Mustang today here for the race stripes with the satin black. I believe this is EcoBoost. They just put the Shelby badge on it. I don't care actually. So, you know, on those type of the car, the muscle car, many people are request and wants to make the race stripes. It's very easy money, and I will show you how to do it. But I already done with this car because I'm run out of time. Film got delayed for delivery today, so I gonna do it the same shape, the same way on my own car. So car got in, and then now we're gonna work on how to make the race stripes. First things you need to do, if you wanna make the two line like that Mustang from beginning of the video I show you guys, make the two line in the middle. First, you need to find the center of the hood. The things you have to do, this edge to this edge, measure it. Okay? This is 152, which is 76 gonna be center. So again, from here to here, 76. And that's 76 really good. Holding the masking tape, 76. Okay, this is center of the car. Good. Also, do the same things at the bottom line. If we do it this edge to this edge is 64. 64 is gonna be 32. So 32 here. Okay, after you got the both center, use the masking tape and make the one line from the up to down. And then usually I recommend it, depends on the how thick you want to be between the line. This is the 15 millimeters. So you're gonna put it at this edge. Make your hand straight and come down until you cross the line. Okay? And fix it with your hand. Okay? Already we got the center of the car. So this area is gonna be naked. And then you can make the two line. So depends on how big or how far you want to go from the center. Usually we do it for the muscle car about 20 centimeter. So again, from this line you have to find the 20 centimeter. So 20 gonna be here. So I'm gonna put my masking here. And from this line to here, also 20 centimeters. And that is again same way. Where is that line? Now, if we checking here to here 20, center 20, and bottom 20. So 100% is same. Some people are using the laser. I don't know actually how to use it, and then so that's my way. I believe most of the rappers do it the same way. And then now to put time to lay the knifeless tape. If you don't know how to use the knifeless tape, I'm gonna put the video link here so you can go watch that one first. Then come to the race stripes. Don't use the cut hand for sure. And lay the knifeless tape at the edge of the masking tape. And bottom line 2. Please watch that video how to use the knifeless tape. You need to learn that. Okay. Until now, we learned how to use the masking tape, find the line, and also lay the knifeless tape. Time to cut the vinyl and then start wrapping. So if you're having the, like me now, 20 centimeter, if you want to make a 20 centimeter line, make the, I made 30 centimeters, so you usually 5 centimeter cut over it. And the things you have to do first, open the film a bit, like this way, and then lay it at the top of those line. Just fix it as much it's not moving. And then you can come in this way and take the paper out. Make it straight. And also no need to move it, just with your hand. And time to do the squeegee. The squeegee all the hair out. Upper part already finished. Press at the knifeless tape with your hand, so as much you can take the air out between the film and tape. Again. Until the end. Again, press. Now we need to cut the extra. As I say in the other video, go watching the how to work with the knifeless tape. Hold it with your hand and rip it off. Another one. For this one, because you don't need this masking tape anymore, you can take and wrap on the hood, just cut the extra
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
So now I did also other side too, and time to remove that center masking. This one too. Come here, okay. And look at now. I know it's not gonna be nice on the Gen Coupe, but I just, as beginning say, I have no time to work on the Mustang. That's why I teach you how to make the race stripes. And look at that, so clean, very nice and clean cut. And that's amazing. Trust me, it's very nice and delicious money. And also you can not pay to any wrap shop and then work as DIY. That's nice. So now you guys know how to make the race stripes in the very easy way. And if you like those type of the content, please comment below. I will make it for sure. And if you still didn't subscribe the channel, please hit the button and give me thumbs up. I appreciate it. See you guys very soon. Take care. Bye bye.